Hey y'all, I just wanted to do a quick little video of me unboxing my new film I just got for my new vintage camera, the Anscoflex II. I just got it, like literally just picked it up today. I ordered from B&H Photo because it is so great. I love browsing their website for everything. And so it's the only place I can find 620 film, which is obviously the film that my camera takes, which technically 620 film is just 20 film but on a thinner spindle. But I'm super excited to open it, and I wanted to bring y'all along on this journey. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay. We love a good safe packing. So for this, I got 3 rolls of film. I just wanted to be able to really have a lot of options on testing it out. I got 2 boxes of black and white film, ISO 100, and then I also got a ISO 100 color film because I just kind of wanted to test it out and see what kind of vibe it gave these photos. So thank you for coming along on this journey, and get ready to watch me try to put film in my camera.